Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the desktop version of the My Inductions module. The My Inductions module allows staff members to complete a staff inductee questionnaire as part of the staff induction process. The access to this module is a bit different to other system modules, which we'll look at in just a moment. This module does, however, feature the same familiar layout as all other modules in the system. Below the module name and icon are the main controls. In this case though, it's only a link back to the workplace homepage. Then over to the right are the module help notes and a link to this video tutorial. Directly below is the module list view. The controls at the top of the list and in the column headings allow users to search, filter and sort the list according to various criteria. To complete an induction record, you need to select Edit from the options that display when mousing over the Actions icon in the list view. Notice that we can see numerous records in the list, which is because we're logged in as a workplace administrator. However, despite the fact that some records are still awaiting completion, we can only see the Edit option for records that are actually assigned to us as the inductee. In other words, only inductees themselves can update their own staff induction forms. Selecting the Edit option displays the My Induction form. The Up icon at the top of the form returns you to the list without saving the form. Below the form instructions and in the induction details area of the form are the inductee questionnaire, which contains a number of questions that have to be answered yes in order for the form to save successfully. If you can't answer yes to all the questions, the form can't be saved and the induction will remain new pending completion. In this case, you might refer to your manager for more information. Once all the questions have been answered yes, the form itself can then be signed by entering the text into the relevant area with your mouse or your finger if you have a touchscreen. You can clear the signature area and re-enter as many times as required, but once you save this form, the signature can't be re-edited. For reference, once this form successfully saves, the status changes to completed, and the manager who initiated the staff induction is sent an alert, and they can in turn finalise the staff induction within their Staff Inductions and Records module. And that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.